Hey guys, here's Thursday, April 16th math quiz. Millie bought some apples at the grocery store. The apples cost 65 cents per pound. If Millie spends $1.30 on apples, how many pounds did she get? Number 2. Miss Duke bought a box of markers for each student in her class to use for a special art project. If the markers cost $1.69 per box and she has 29 students in her class, how much did Miss Duke spend on markers? Number 3. Trey bought 5 six-packs of bottled water to share at baseball practice. If each pack costs $3.49, how much did he spend on bottled water? Number 4. Juan spent $9.49 on school supplies. He spent $1.59 on pencils, twice that much on pens, and the rest on highlighters. How much money did Juan spend on highlighters? Number 5. Which equation is correct? Number 6. Skylar is able to jump 17.6 feet. The world record in the long jump is 29.3 feet. What is the difference between the world record and the distance Skylar can jump? 7. London earned $12.58 and Corin earned $9.35 last week. They need $35.99 to buy a box set of their favorite TV show. How much more must they earn to buy the set? 8. Sydney earned $59.70 selling handmade bracelets at the craft fair. She sold a total of 6 bracelets. If all the bracelets were priced the same, how much did she charge for each bracelet? 9. What is the value of 92 and 4/10 plus 7 and 1900s? 10. Linda went to the pet store to buy dog food. She bought 6 cans of food for $2.69 each. How much money did she spend? 11. What is 10 divided by 2500s? 12. Walter bought 2 5/10 yards of fabric at $3.70 per yard. How much did Walter pay for the fabric? 13. Hannah ordered a video game that cost $44.97. She will pay an additional $3.40 for shipping. Which answer below shows how Anna could find the total cost of her game plus shipping? 14, you're going to multiply. 15, a piece of rope that was 8 7/10 meters long has been cut into 5 equal pieces. How long is each piece of rope? 16, choose the best explanation of how to solve this problem. Kia bought a bag of candy for $3.49 and a gallon of milk for $4.50. How much more did the milk cost? Number 1, I added $3.49 and $4.50 because I knew I had to find the total of how much money was spent. The second answer, I subtracted $3.49 from $4.50 in order to find the difference between the two. The third option, I rounded $3.49 to $3 and $4.50 to $5. I then added 3 to 5 so I could see how much total money was spent. Or the last option, I rounded $3.49 to $3 and $4.50 to $5. I then subtracted $3 from $5 to find the difference between the two. 17. Choose the best explanation of how to solve this problem. There was a 10-kilometer race last week. Mrs. Little ran 7.43 kilometers in 10 minutes. How much further does she need to run in order to finish the race? All right, first option, I added 10 and 7 and 43 hundredths so that I could find the total amount of kilometers Mrs. Little was going to run. 2, I rounded 3 and 43 hundredths kilometers to 3 kilometers. I then subtracted 3 kilometers from 10 kilometers because I knew that that would show how much of the race was still remaining. The third option, I looked at the numbers and I knew that 10 minus 7 would be 3. Then I knew that 43 hundredths minus 0 would be 43 hundredths. So my answer would be 3 and 43 hundredths kilometers. Or the fourth option, I subtracted 7 and 43 hundredths kilometer from 10 kilometers because I knew I needed to find the difference so I would know how much of the race was left. 18, you're going to evaluate. 19, there are 732 students trying out for baseball teams. There will be exactly 15 players on each team. How many students will not make a baseball team? And 20, the winning speed at the 2014 Brickyard 400 was 150 and 297 thousandths miles per hour, which shows that number of miles per hour using base 10 numerals. I'll read that again. The winning speed at the 2014 Brickyard 400 was 150 and 297 thousandths miles per hour, which shows that number of miles per hour using base 10 numerals.